signed up for the HVAC program because I was intrigued in it when I first saw it when I came my freshman year to high school. We have a lot of fun. There's a lot of hands-on activities and you learn from them, really. It's not just, messing around in the workshop.
When we do our hands-on stuff, we do like soldering and brazing. We work with the AC units.
We've learned to maintain HVAC equipment.
The industry certifications, you gain them by the tests that we take with our study guides, and if you pass all your tests, you gain your certificate, and then that will help you when you go off to trade school or college or whichever path you choose.
I just earned college credit.
I just earned college credit.
I just earned college credit.